Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. If you love puffy vests as much as I do and you're looking for a great layering piece, you need to check out this really cute vest from SPSHODOW. This vest is so puffy, I feel like you could sleep on it. The filling is very uniform and it's puffy all around, and it makes it such a great layering piece if you're going out shopping. You can wear a sweater or an extra shirt underneath. It's perfect for those cold days when you don't want to be super bundled up while you're doing errands. As I mentioned, the vest is a cropped vest. It measures about 17 inches from the top of the collar right down to the bottom, and it has a nice sturdy zipper, so you can zip it up and really feel extra layering whenever you need it. The vest does not have pockets, but it does have zip ties at the bottom so you can cinch them a little bit tighter and closer to the waist, making sure that it fits really well. I opted for the medium. I normally wear a small medium, but again, this is great if you're going to be wearing something underneath. The color is a true brown, and I find that the vest really goes perfectly with those cooler days when you need to add in different color sweaters or shirts. The vest is just so cozy and warm. You'll definitely look super cute while you're out shopping with your cropped puffy vest, but that's my point of view.